Hi, this is Krunal, and our unit number is HI6041. We will present presentations on information systems security. Uh, Objectives: we assessed the PBC network and improved the security by identifying gaps, fixing device misconfigurations, and applying necessary controls. We analyzed a phishing attack, highlighted key red flags like fake links and urgent language, and built a strong incident response plan. Overall, our current security posture is stronger with proactive monitoring, better user awareness, and secure device configurations. This slide is showing phishing attacks architecture, which is the contains all the diagrams about the phishing attack. Phishing threat analysis: an attacker sent a fake email pretending to be from IT to trick someone in finance. The email looked urgent and had a fake login link, clear signs something was wrong. The attacker stole login details, which could lead to a lost data or money, but we can stop this with things like two-step login, staff training, and email filters.
Myself, Krishna Dolaria, and my student ID is DDI5001. Here I will start my slides. Attacker scenarios and threats. The attacker pretended to be IT support and sent a fake email to the users. The user clicked the link and entered her login details on the fake page. This gave the attackers access to her account, a classical phishing attack example. Here I will present the next slide. First, we detect the problem using alerts and system logins. Then we quickly stop the attack by blocking the accounts or isolating affected systems. Next, we remove any malware, fix the issues, and change the password. Finally, we bring everything back to the normal and make sure the data is safe. Now, the second slide is on the server, we turn off unused services and made sure passwords are encrypted. For the router, we are enable secure access with SSC, block the telnet, and set up the ACLs and IP settings. On the switches, we used VLNS, enable STP for loop protection, disable unused ports, and assign IPs.
Hello, myself Vishwaben Kathiya, and today we are going to talking about network configuration overview. Our network uses a flat LAN with the 192.168.100/24 IP range. The main router is at 192.168.101 and switches is 8, 2 and 3 connect all devices. Finance PCS, a server and a printer are on switch 1 and staff use Wi-Fi through a wireless router. router interface configuration. We set up IP addresses 192.168.1.0.1 on interface. This is our gateway. The no shutdown command turns the interface on, so it's active and working. We added a static route to reach the 192.168.2.0.0 network through 192.168.1.0.2. This tells the router where to send the traffic. Now my group member Ankush will discuss the next slide.
Hello, this is me Ankush. In this slide, I'm gonna explain about the main router configuration steps. We set up a gigabit Ethernet 0x0 with the IP 192.168.10.1. Enable it with the no shutdown and added a static route to the 192.168.20.0 network via net 192.168.10.2. These steps ensure the router is active and can forward traffic between networks. Slide about the switch configurations. We have VLAN1, the IP address 192.168.10.2, so we can manage the switch remotely. All the ports for the gigabit Ethernet 0 to 0 are configured with the port security. Only 2 devices can connect per port. Their MAC addresses are remembered and the violations will shut down that port for safety. In the next slide about the communication and escalations. If there is an issue, staff can report it by the secure mail, a ticket or a phone for urgent cases. The IT support team looks at the problem first and they take quick actions. If they needed, the issue is passed on the finance or IT managers for higher level decisions. And the next slide about the conclusion. We upgraded the network by adding missing security controls. Now the setup follows security policy and the response plan much better. The network is stronger and more preferred to block phishing and other threats. In the last slide about the references, sources used in the project. This sources guided our project, especially in the risk management and incident response planning. We follow trusted frameworks and a real world example like Grayson's College. All this help us align with our security update with the best practices of official guidelines.